Our family message board connects households from distributed families with a familiar interface of electronic post-it notes. Family members can write notes to each other using a tablet interface or a writable LCD screen. Each note is automatically sent to the message boards in all the connected households. The interface was designed to be as simple as possible. Family members can create and write new notes using 4 colors, zoom in and out to review notes, and drag notes in and out of a grid that automatically organizes new notes by the time and date of note creation. This design reflects the goals of the InterLiving project. In this project, we are working with 7 multi-generational families in Sweden, France, and the United States as design partners. We are using traditional ethnographic and participatory design methods, such as low-tech prototyping, in addition to technology probes, such as a message board, to explore the communication and coordination needs of distributed families. Technology probes are simple but interesting technologies that act as catalysts for design ideas. Our family design partners use them for a period of time in their homes and then work with researchers to study how and why they were used. Together, we then design new technologies based on our findings. We installed the message board probe in the 3 households of our U.S. family for a period of about 6 weeks in February 2002. We will repeat the trial with our other family partners this summer. The U.S. family wrote over 120 notes to each other, mostly text rather than drawings, and mostly written by the men rather than the women or children. These notes covered topics such as news updates, feelings, coordination, and reminders. After this trial, we held a workshop with the family to brainstorm about new ideas using low-tech prototyping. We found that communication, coordination, and remote awareness are important problems for this family.
And then it would allow us to receive reminders about things that were on our schedules, just as Outlook does on our desktop now. It would, all that could happen on our phone that integrated a PDA in it.
We talked about something simple like a ring.
Oh, like a ring.
That bites you. You know, I'm supposed to bite you once, you call this guy. If it bites you twice, you call this guy.
So it's a ring reminder.
It would have like these little credit card things on the back that would have a name, and it would have like a little barcode on it. And so in the back, you know, you would just scan it, and then, you know, you would see your calendar, and if, you know, Mom was worrying that I wouldn't get to Katie's, you know, and she says, oh, you got to call me when you get to Katie's. Well, instead of calling her, I could just scan my little card, hit the VA, voice activation button, shoot, this came off, and
I'm liking this, no.
you would hit VA, the voice activation button, and say, you know, I'm at Katie's. And then she would have a little thing on the refrigerator, her calendar on the refrigerator, that it would show up that Beth's at Katie's. And then I would have, you know, a little key card for Mom, and I could scan it and figure out where she is, you know, where I should call her at or whatever, you know, and I would have one for anybody else that I needed.
This is our table with the keys on for various families. And when you pick up your key, you push the button, and that activates the calendar.
Wow. You mean, oh, so each key, there's a key representative of the family.
Right.
Oh.
I think part of it also was, you know, you are going out, so you pick up your keys from in front of the door.
So it is really your key.
Right, so even if you don't say anything, it knows you're out. And if you want to say something, you wave your key in front of that little pink button, little signal here, and you could leave a message.
This is our refrigerator. It is the Maytag wide by side.
And it is. Very nice.
Thank you. With the enlarged freezer compartment and the ice. So the calendar would go above it, where currently those few little pictures are. And somewhat on the same vein, you know, you would flip up, or you'd be able to scroll up or scroll down to to see the, the Hunter, the Jefferson, the Westland calendars, just so people had an idea of what's going on with other people's lives.
The message board was effective as a technology probe in encouraging our U.S. family to think about new ideas for communicating and coordinating between and within their households. We will work together with them and our other family design partners to design new technology solutions based on these ideas.